Alright guys, well, we're at the limit. Prepare for the most epic Skyfall you will ever see. Hopefully. In 1.7.2 on the Dupcraft server. Are we ready to do this or what? Yeah, you are.
Yeah, we're ready.
Let's change that a little bit. Right.
Hey guys, it's me.
Shut up. Alright. Wait for it to load up. Oh, it's all gone now. Crap. Anyway, YOLO!
Crap. I just saw you. Give me another pickaxe.
Earlier, today on the server, it was bugged up where we could hit each other. Stab the pickaxe.
Give me a pickaxe. I need one.
I only have one. Go to F
Dude,
home real quick.
my pickaxe like almost freaking out.
Go to F home.
Crap. Home. Slash F. Home.